This will be interesting. Y'all might as well watch, but this is my Tilton Apricot. Getting rid of it, replacing it with a persimmon. So that's the goal. As you can see, I started on it, but look, pretty sure y'all gonna want to see this. So let me post up. Hopefully y'all can see. Hopefully. See it's going down. There we go. One Tilton Apricot completely destroyed. Oh my god, it opens up so much light in here. Now you're gonna get the root. And now we wait for our whichever. Oh my god, we didn't even wear glasses, y'all. I want pieces. But yeah, now you want to. Now I'm waiting for my Jiro persimmon to come in. It'll go right here. Once I clean all the roots up, I like to use the axe instead of a shovel. But that's me.